Hello, my name is Tenaiya Imani, and welcome to my channel. Baby,
you know that you'll give me these butterflies, oh yeah. The way that you look at me, I feel alive inside, oh yeah. Boosting my confidence when you're by my side.
So today, as you read in the title, we're going to be reviewing the Nike SB Dunk Low Grateful Dead in the color green. It's so freaking pretty, bro. Like, I know y'all see this already. Like, you already know just by the thumbnail. This shoe is the bomb. Like, it got this fur upper and back detailing. It's kind of like a thick, chunky fur. It's not the smooth kind of fur. And this suede upper and back trailing. And it also has the signature jagged edge lightning bolt from Grateful Dead around the checks on the side, which are this smooth black color, and then it has a suede blue in the check and is on this side as well. They also have this beautiful Nike in this different type of font. Honestly, I think it's pretty dope how it's not the usual type of font for Nike. And the tongue logo has the dancing bear in the color green and blue to match the shoe. And then on the back it says Grateful Dead Productions on the sole. Then they got the Grateful Dead bears, which I will take out the sole to show you how that looks. We have the bears going from the pink to orange to yellow to blue to green. And on this back part there is the Nike SB logo with the Grateful Dead skull. I thought that was pretty dope. And also in the back of the shoe there is this nice padding for your heel that will definitely support it and give you some extra cushion. This is the bottom of the shoe. Just something nice, light, simple, go with the shoe. And my personal favorite feature of this shoe is the zipper part, where you can literally unzip the tongue, and I can fit my hand in here. So if this can get all of this space, you can put some little goodies in here, whatever little goodies can fit in this pocket, and I'll definitely be using that when I wear them myself. And yeah, I'll put my shoe try on right here. These shoes are really, really dope, and they feel so good, honestly. Like, I've always wanted some SBs. I'll later insert a clip of the shoes that the first SBs I've ever seen that I was really like, I really want those, bro. And these they're definitely holding a spot, like, until I can get another SB. It's so nice. It's a different whole Shialet, and it's rare that you see anyone with any of the colors orange, green, or yellow. And if you ever see blue or pink, they're probably fake because they haven't came out with that yet. But when they do come out with that, or if y'all know when they're supposed to come out, let me know for sure. But yeah, these are just really nice in this green colorway and very hard to get. I got mine for $234 with shipping and tax, which I thought was crazy, knowing that the resale price can go from $1,000 to $15,000, which really also made me gravitate towards this shoe because the value goes up. It can potentially just pay off my whole tuition for the 15 bands. So if you got 15 bands, you really want to get these, hit me up. But nah, I really want to keep these. They are so freaking pretty and just so nice, like, no question. Yeah, and I have a size 7, and this is the box. Yeah, it's the box, and I got them in a size 7, like I said, in men's, which is an 8.5 UK and 8.5 women. I saw that you should size up like half size, and I'm glad I did because it definitely hits the spot. And I usually wear a size 8 for reference, so 7 in men's, 8.5, 6.5 in men would be an 8. So yeah, one last little 360 of this beautiful crazy colorway shoe. So nice, so nice. And here's the clip of those shoes that I was talking about, and also here's a clip of how I will style these shoes. And that'll be just something slight, but I definitely want to pop out with these shoes. And I'm not sure when I'll wear them, but definitely they're not gonna be one of them shoes I'm wearing out at all. Just, it's too exclusive, too special, too clean. Okay, so like if you enjoyed this. Also, they came with these blue shoelaces with the same white and blue red situation on the end of the shoelaces, but I think I'm just gonna keep the green because it just works. Like, come on. So yeah, like if you enjoyed this, and if it helped you, comment down below if you liked it. If you have any questions, suggestions, comments, concerns, any of that. If you are subscribed, thank you, gang. If you're not subscribed, click that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Share this with your friends, because this is a hype shoe. Like, come on, why wouldn't you want to share this shoe and share me and support? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, check the description box for more details, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Baby, you know that you give me these butterflies, oh yeah. The way that you look at me, I feel alive inside, oh yeah. Boosting my confidence when you by my side.